Dear students of 12th class, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will start poem third, Keeping Quiet. This is the poem from Flamingo book. And this poem is written by Pablo Neruda, and he was born in 1904 and he died in the year 1973. His full name is Neftali Ricardo Reis Basalto, and his poems can be easily understood because they are beautiful, and he won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. आप इसको अंडरलाइन कर सकते हो. दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव में आपको आ सकता है ये. तो इस पोएम में जो नेरुडा है, he talks about the importance of quiet and introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. कभी कभार हम चाहते हैं कि हम खामोश रहेंगे, तो खामोशी जिसको हम पीस कहेंगे, where there is peace there is progress and there is prosperity. So this is a short introduction about the poem. Remember, this poem is written by Pablo Neruda. Then we will move to the poem. This is the poem. So here in this poem, first stanza is, now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any language. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. And here it is this poem is explained. इसको हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ये जो स्टंजा है, फर्स्ट स्टंजा जो है, you can watch the first stanza again. You can take the screenshot, and this in the first stanza, the poet requests everyone to count till 12 in their mind and to stop for a while. यानी ये हर एक से पोइट हर एक से ये इल्तिजा करता है कि कुछ देर के लिए आप खामोश रहो. एंड ही urges everyone not to speak any language, because in our country there are so many languages, and sometimes language become a barrier in our way for peace. So he wants everyone to be settled, to be calm. वो चाहता है, शायर इसमें चाहता है, पोएट चाहता है कि हर एक थोड़ी देर के लिए खामोश रहे. और जो नेशनल्स है, people across the nations have to unite together. They shall not speak their own languages, rather they all shall keep quiet and speak the language of silence. Here is very important that the language of silence, खामोशी. खामोशी हर एक इंसान का एक सच्चा जेवर है. जितना हम खामोश रहेंगे तो हमारे लिए वही बेहतर है. ज़्यादा बोलने से कोई फायदा नहीं होता है. और यहाँ here in this poem there is a word, our arms. Arms का मतलब है, arms here means that we should not use the ammunitions for the destruction. We should use arms for the benefit of humankind. यानी हमारे लिए हमारे जो scientific inventions है, we should use those inventions for the benefit of mankind, not for the destruction of mankind. So let us not speak in any language. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So, my dear students, here the poet means that he urges everyone to stop and calm down and not to speak any language, because sometimes language creates a barrier between the countries. So he wants that by remaining silent, he demands peace from all of us. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि जहाँ पीस हो वहाँ तरक्की हो. Where there is peace, there is progress, there is prosperity. So this is the explanation of this first stanza. So here in this there are certain literary devices. As vowel sound O and E. Now we will count to 12, not move our arms so much. So in this assonance is used O sound O and A. Then there is another literary device, that is anaphora. Two consecutive lines starting with the word let us. This is anaphora. Let us not speak in any language. This is anaphora. Let us stop for 1 second. This is anaphora. Then there is alliteration, as we have already learned, already studied what is alliteration. Repetition of the consonant sounds at the beginning of two or more closely placed words. Here is V sound. So, my dear students, I hope that you understood the meaning and explanation of the first stanza and something about the poet and the poem. And I hope that you will learn the first stanza from your book, Flamingo book, by heart. And next video will be on second stanza. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.